Hello, hello, my followers. Um, the euro dollar finally has broken under the two moving averages, the blue line, which is the exponential, the red line is the simple, and finally it has broken under the moving average here since February of this or January even. Okay, since February, I have drawn here five Elliott waves. It was supposed. This is the correction phase according to my analysis, and please don't take it as a financial advice. I'm just sharing with you my thoughts and ideas. I'm going too short here for because finally the price has moved under the two moving averages. Stochastic oscillator also is not found here, but it's about to be oversold, which is another confirmation. It's not oversold yet. It's around 22 or something. Third confirmation will be breaking under this trend line here. First, second, and this will be the third touch here. Crossing under this trend line is going to be the full confirmation for me. My target is going to be 1.0 between 1.08 and 1.09. Why I have chosen this point? I have drawn a Fibonacci line here, and this is going to be the 61.8 retracement level. In addition, it's going to be 100% projection line here. This projection line and this projection line, those are 100%, which are conjunct, which is going to be conjunct uh, with the 61.8 retracement level also. So this is going to be my target. Please don't forget to use risk management techniques and place stop loss in the proper place. And thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe because you are going to learn a lot from this channel. Thank you very much.